In this video, I'll show you how to set recurring reminders in Slack so you never miss important updates or meetings. Open Slack on your desktop or browser and log in using your email, Google, or Apple account. Once inside, select the correct workspace and then choose the channel or direct message where you want a reminder to appear. In the message box, type the /remind command. The format is simple. /remind channel or @user. Time /frequency. For example, /remind at marketing team campaign meeting every Monday at 9 IMM. Hit enter and Slack will confirm the reminder. From now on, your reminder will repeat automatically at the set time, keeping your team organized and on schedule. That's it. Recurring reminders in Slack are an easy way to stay on track without extra effort. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Slack tips.